If you've got to this point where you've got the strimmer in bits, you've got the head off, you've got the cable, you've cut it all short and you just can't get it in, you go, what the heck is going on this Milwaukee strimmer? It's so difficult to load. It's because you're doing it wrong, it's just not right. This is the easiest strimmer to load the string into. Let's just pop that back in again. You've got the 2 tabs either side that you can press if you ever need to get that head out, but you usually don't need to. The only time you change it is if it wore through. Now, on this, we've got some markings. We've got a little red mark in there and a little red mark in there, and that's your alignment buttons. If you see this is all dirty, which is going to confuse you, dead in line with this hole either side, there's a little marking, and that would be red normally. We just need to turn the cap until the red dot aligns with the strimmer hole. Same with that side, it all lines up. You can just make out the red on that one. Now in this mucky thing here, it says load. Load. So all we're going to do now is feed the cable through. So I've got a length here, this is about, I'd say what, 18 foot, something like that. We need to get this halfway through. We're just going to feed that straight through the hole, and eventually, if we just give it a little bit of work, comes out the other side. We just need to pull this equal length, both sides. So I'll just... So there we go, I've got that the same length on both of them. We can now come back to the head. I'm going to turn this clockwise. As we do that, it literally just winds these straight in, as if by magic. Until you are fully loaded and ready to go. That's the string I've put in. This is the Milwaukee replacement string. It's the perfect one for the job. You can get thicker ones, but you do stand the chance of it jamming. This stuff works amazing, and well, it just doesn't fail. It's brilliant. I'll put links in the description for the reel off of Amazon. Let's get strimming again. This is the Quik lock strimmer, but it's the same for most of the new Milwaukee stuff. Bingo. And if we tap that down, there you go. Cuts it off to length. Beautiful. And that's the last piece of the broken one. If that's been of use, if you've enjoyed it, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.